One little-known AI stock handed investors an unbelievable 2,136% return. Let that sink in. A $10,000 investment could have ballooned into more than $213,000. I'm going to tell you exactly what that company is, but more importantly, I'm going to share 4 other AI stocks that I believe have similar explosive potential, and they're still flying completely under the radar. Look, everyone's talking about Nvidia. Everyone and their grandmother knows the AI boom is here. The problem, by the time a company is a household name, the truly life-changing gains are often already in the rearview mirror. The real money, the kind that can reshape your future, is made by finding the right companies before they hit the big time. But finding those needles in a haystack of hype is the hardest part of investing. That's our entire mission today. We're cutting through the noise to find 5 high-risk, high-reward plays that are using incredible AI to build massive opportunities. One already delivered that monster return, and the other 4 might just be getting started. First up, we have a company that has quietly positioned itself as an AI powerhouse in one of the planet's biggest industries, mobile apps. The company is AppLovin, ticker APP. Now, AppLovin isn't building Skynet or world-changing language models. They do something way more practical and frankly profitable. They use artificial intelligence to help app developers find users and make money. Think about how insanely competitive the App Store is. How does a new game ever get noticed? That's the exact problem AppLovin solves. Their AI platform, especially a tool called Axon 2, churns through mountains of data to predict who is most likely to download and spend money on an app, and then BAM, it targets them with ads. It's the secret sauce behind countless successful mobile games and e-commerce apps. And their financials, they tell a story of incredible growth. The company has seen its profit margins explode over the last year, and its operating cash flow is on fire. For a long time, the stock just sat there, but after rolling out its new AI-powered ad engine, it absolutely skyrocketed. Analysts are still bullish, with many rating the stock a buy or strong buy, and seeing significant upside from here. What's really exciting is their next move. AppLovin is expanding beyond gaming and into the huge e-commerce advertising market, a segment that is already a massive growth driver for them. They are basically printing money by providing the essential tools for anyone who wants to succeed in the app economy. It's a classic pick and shovel play on the digital gold rush, powered by some of the smartest marketing AI out there. SoundHound AI, SOUN. Next, let's talk about a David and Goliath story in the world of voice AI. The company is SoundHound AI, ticker SOUN. You might think of Alexa or Google when you think of voice assistants, but SoundHound has been carving out a powerful niche by giving businesses their own independent voice. Their tech powers the conversational AI in cars, drive-through.
How's the traffic looking on the way to the city center?
Traffic is light. Estimated arrival in 15 minutes.
And customer service call centers for huge brands. So what's the big deal? It's all about independence. Like, companies are getting nervous about handing all their precious customer data over to big tech. SoundHound offers a solution they can brand as their own. That's a massive selling point. And you can see the momentum building. They've reported strong year-over-year revenue growth. Even more impressive, the company's backlog of subscriptions and bookings has swelled to over $700 million, which points to a long runway of future revenue. Now let's be real. This stock can be a roller coaster with a history of big swings. The potential, however, is undeniable. SoundHound recently bought an enterprise AI company to beef up its customer service offerings, putting it in a position to serve nearly 200 major corporate clients. It's a high-risk bet for sure, but it's aimed squarely at the booming voice AI market, a technology that's becoming essential for everything from your car to your coffee order. By the way, if you're enjoying this hunt for hidden gems, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. It's totally free, and it means you won't miss the next time we go looking for the market's biggest opportunities. And drop a comment below. Which under-the-radar AI stock are you most excited about? I promise you, I read every single one. Our third stock is a name you've probably heard, but many investors still don't fully appreciate the sheer scale of its AI ambition. The company is Palantir, ticker PLTR. For years, Palantir was the stuff of legends, known for its top secret work with governments and spy agencies, using its data platforms for everything from hunting terrorists to streamlining military supply chains. But the game completely changed when they launched their Artificial Intelligence Platform, or AIP. This platform lets regular businesses do what Palantir has been doing for the government for 2 decades, connect all their messy, disconnected data, and use AI to make smarter, faster decisions. The response has been nothing short of explosive. While some initial reports got a little ahead of themselves, the real numbers are still staggering. In its most recent quarter, Palantir's revenue grew to over $720 million, a jump of nearly 40% from the year before. Their U.S. commercial revenue, the key growth engine, has been growing at an incredible pace. This isn't some pie-in-the-sky startup. This is a company with a battle-tested product that is now scaling at a jaw-dropping rate. The main complaint about Palantir has always been its high price tag, and it's true, the stock isn't cheap. But this is what hypergrowth looks like. The company is profitable, gushing free cash flow, and keeps raising its own forecasts. Investors are betting that AIP will become the fundamental operating system for any company that wants to compete in the age of AI. It remains a core holding for anyone who truly believes in the power of data. Alright, this next one is for those who want to get in on the absolute ground floor of the AI infrastructure boom. Now, this is a bit different. It's not a stock you can buy on the market just yet, but you absolutely need to have it on your watch list. The company is CoreWeave. Think of CoreWeave as a specialized cloud provider, but instead of trying to be Amazon or Microsoft and do everything for everyone, it focuses like a laser on one thing, providing the raw, high-performance GPU computing power that AI companies are starving for. And here's the genius part. CoreWeave is backed by Nvidia itself. It has become the go-to partner for giants like OpenAI and Microsoft when they need more horsepower for training their massive AI models. The demand for this specialized computing is practically infinite right now. While the big cloud guys are stretched thin, CoreWeave is purpose-built for the AI revolution, offering on-demand access to the most advanced Nvidia GPUs. Their strategy is brutally simple. Raise mountains of cash, buy all the best chips, and rent that power out. Some reports suggest they plan to spend a staggering sum, potentially up to $23 billion in 2025 alone, on building out this infrastructure. This is the purest of pure plays on the AI hardware boom. It's like investing in the person selling shovels during the gold rush, only the shovels are state-of-the-art supercomputers. Keep a very close eye on this one. And now for the moment you've been waiting for. The stock that posted that incredible 2,136% gain. Let me be crystal clear. This is without a doubt the highest risk, highest reward company on this list. The company is Quantum Computing Incorporated, ticker QUBT. This stock is not for the faint of heart. We are on the absolute bleeding edge of technology here. Quantum computing is working on quantum machines and photonics, basically using particles of light to process information at speeds that make today's supercomputers look like pocket calculators. Their goal is to solve problems that are currently impossible for humanity to solve. So why the insane run-up? The market is waking up to the mind-bending potential of combining quantum computing with artificial intelligence. The company has already locked in contracts with serious players like NASA and the Department of Commerce. They also recently raised a significant amount of money, leaving them with a strong cash position and, critically, no debt to fund their expansion and build their own photonic chip factory in Arizona. But the risks here are massive. The company's revenue is still tiny, and its losses are growing as it plows money into R&D. This is the definition of an early-stage speculative tech investment. That 2,000% plus return is the market pricing and a tiny chance of a world-changing outcome. QUBT is a true moonshot, a bet on the next frontier of computing that, if it pays off, could redefine technology as we know it. So that's the lineup. 5 companies on the cutting edge of AI, each with explosive potential. We have AppLovin, the AI-powered marketing machine, SoundHound, the independent voice champion, Palantir, the proven data powerhouse, CoreWeave, the pure play on AI infrastructure, and Quantum Computing Inc., the high-flying moonshot where AI meets the quantum realm. These stocks aren't your typical blue chips. They come with higher risk and will likely be more volatile. But for investors who want to be on the front lines of the AI revolution, they offer a fascinating look at where the next wave of wealth could be generated. As always, do your own research and understand what you're buying. To help you with that, I put together a free bonus for you, my personal AI stock watch list with even more ideas and notes. You can get it by clicking the first link in the description below. Finally, I really want to hear from you. What do you think is the most exciting corner of the AI world for investors right now? Is it quantum, voice, data, or something else? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.